Alright, I'm off to go to the fireworks at the playground. It's the end of Seaside Festival, and it was fun, but now it's over, and the summer's almost over too, so it's sad time. But yeah, I'm going to the fireworks, and I'll see you there. Okay, this is the most people you will ever see in Sheet Harbor. They're all gathered for the fireworks. Doesn't look like much, but it is for Sheet Harbor. So I found Sarah. Hi! And Alex.
Oh, hello. Oh.
So yeah, the fireworks are going to be amazing, aren't they?
Yeah, you're going to be pretty
Excited.
good. Very excited to get this going.
We have a holder now.
Alex is our cameraman.
So if you want to go to Sarah's channel, click right here.
No.
Click
No. That's
Click down here.
Zoom up. Ooh.
So instead of watching the fireworks on the playground like every other lame person, we're going
Just wait. Oh, no,
out in the boot. Are you excited to go out in the boot?
I'm excited to go out and about.
Hey,
Out and about.
bye.
I know
Out
it.
the boat, boy.
Which side is he on?
Ooh.
Which side is he on?
Hi. What's up?
Just fireworks, you know.
On a boot.
I'm on a boat.
And
I'm on a boat.
Ooh. The finale of the fireworks.
Seaside Festival 2011.
The sound didn't stop. Oh, I guess it's not over. False advertisement. Ooh, I don't think it's over.
False alarm.
Oh.
I like the ones that like press really loud and like pulsate through your body.
Like you.
What? I pulsate through your body, Sarah?
No.
I just made it really awkward.
The best one in like years. Jesus, could it be louder? Oh.
Wow.
Not disappointing this year at all. Oh, Jesus.
Oh my god, it's so loud.
Harry Potter!
It's very ominous. Hi.
Woo! Good night. See you another day.